Hello students, in the last recording we have seen fitting of a straight line, right? How to fit a straight line curve. Now in this recording we will learn how to fit a parabola. Okay, how to fit a parabola. Now what is a parabola equation? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a parabola equation. Now as we have done in straight line, what we need to do? We need to write a normal equations. Now I already told you how to write the normal equation. First what you need to do, write summation everywhere, okay, so that you will get sigma y a sigma x square plus b into sigma x plus sigma times c. So what do you mean by sigma times c? If there are n values, we can write instead of sigma c n into c. Okay, then how to write the second normal equation? Anyone? What you need to do? You need to multiply throughout by x, correct? So you will get sigma xy, a sigma x cube plus b sigma x square plus c can be taken out sigma x. Now how to write the third equation? How to write the third equation? Again multiply throughout by x. You will get sigma x square by a sigma x to the power 4 plus b into sigma x cube plus c into sigma x square. Okay, so these are the which equations? Normal equation. Now why we have written three normal equation and for straight line only two normal equations? Anyone? Because here how many constants we need to calculate? Three constants, right? A, B, C. So we need how many normal equations? Three normal equations. In the straight line, we need to find only two constants. Right now, y equal to ax plus b. So there were two normal equations. So depending upon the constants, we need to write the normal equations. Now, what is the first problem? Let me see the first problem. Problems are very easy. Fit a problem for the following data. So this is the data given. You need to fit which kind of curve? Parabola curve. Now what is a parabola curve? Parabola curve is given by y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now how to write the normal equations? Apply summation on both the side. You will get sigma y equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x plus n into c. Then multiply throughout by x. Then again multiply throughout by x. You will get these three normal equations. Then form the table, write x, write y. Okay, this is the x column, this is the y column. And what else we require in the normal equations? We require x into y. We require x square y. Then we require x square. Then we require x cube. Then we require x to the power 4. So total we need 7 columns. So first column write down, second column write down, then third column x into y. So you need to multiply the two columns. You will get the third column. Then multiply the first column and the third column. That gives you x square y. Then to get the fifth column, you need to square the first column. Then in order to get the sixth column, you need to cube the first column. Then in order to get the seventh column, you need to do to the power 4. Okay, so that gives you the values. Actually in the calculator it becomes very easy. What you need to do is, I'll give you a simple trick. So in your calculator, so save it as alpha x colon. Hope you know in your calculator there is two dot options. Option is there. I'll let you know in the next recording. Okay, so you can do that. Two columns, semicolon you can press there. Then again alpha y, again semicolon, again alpha x into alpha y colon, then alpha x square y colon, like that you do. Then just press the calculation button, then put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Automatically all the values will come. When you put x equal to 1, y equal to 2, this value, this value, this value, this value will come. When you put x equal to 2, next time when it y equal to 6, it will give you these values. Like that all the values will be got by one stretch. Okay, then add this value, add the first column, you will get sigma I, sigma y, this one. Okay, this is also easy to get all the values. What you need to do is, in your calculator mode button is there, right? Mode button. In that press statistic mode. In that you will get statistic. Okay, in the statistic I think number is 5. Press that number 5. In that number 5, it will give data. So press that number, then fill the data 1, 2, 2, 6, all the data you press, then press shift, then press start button is there. Okay, so that button you need to press. That time automatically all the values will you will get. Okay, that I'll tell you in the next recording. Now star becomes, now substitute all the values. Sigma y, you know, sigma y, then a sigma x square, sigma x square value is here, substitute sigma, then which value we need, sigma x is here 45. N, what about n values? How many values we it is given 9 values, so 9 c. So write all the three equations. Now again using your calculator, take your calculator, in that press mode button, in that equation mode. So press equation mode, in that how many unknowns, it is given 3 unknowns, right? So press 2, 3 unknowns. So then press the coefficient 285, 45, 9, then 74, this, then this, like that you fill all the numbers here. That gives you automatically first value. First value is what? A. You will get A value, then you will get B value, then you will get C value. Then you need to write that parabola. So which was the parabola? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So substitute for A, substitute for B, substitute for C. That is the best fit for the given data. Next, second question is find the best value of a comma b comma c if the equation y equal to this is to fit closely to the following observation. Now, can you notice here, instead of parabola giving ax square plus bx plus c, they have given in this format. How they have given? Y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Only the constants they have interchange. That's it. So no much changes. Just write the normal equation associated with it, with this parabola. So how to write the normal equation? First you need to apply summation on both the side. You will get this, correct? Sigma n times a. Then multiply throughout by x, you will get the second normal equation. Then again multiply throughout by x, you will get the third normal equation. So these are the three normal equations to calculate the three constants a, b, c. Then write down the relevant table. X, y is given. So what else we require? We require x, y, x square, y, x square, x cube, x power 4. Substitute and add the columns, and then substitute in the normal whatever you require, you substitute. And what is our n value? N values, how many values they have given? 5 value. So substitute. Then again here it easily comes, no need of equation mode, just will get b equal to this. Then that substitute, b value automatically you will get. Then rest two values, how will you get? So this is the one equation, this is another equation, two equations. So again take equation mode. And now how many unknowns are here? Two unknowns. So you need to get two unknowns. So substitute the values 5, 10, 4.338, then 10, 34, 10.402. You will get A and C values. So the best parabola fit is y equal to A. They have given, see here, y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So this is the best fit for the given parabola. Now next question, following are the measurement of air velocity. This is a model question paper problem, important. And evaporation coefficient y of burning fuel droplet in an impulse engine. So the table is given to you. Find a best fitting parabola to the above data. So the parabola also they have given which parabola you need to fit, and hence estimate y value when x is 99. So when you get a parabola, just put x equal to 99 here. So as usual, write on the normal equation. Here n is how many values they have given? 6 values. Write on the normal equation. Okay. Then form the columns. See here the numbers are little big. Okay, you do it very carefully. Then add the things. Okay, you will get three equations. Then use your calculator equation mode. Calculate the unknowns a, b, c. You will get a value, b value, c value. So substitute in the curve y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then put x equal to 99, you will get the y value. Okay, so these are the problems under parabola. Okay, thank you.